Hi, my name is Priscilla, and this is Toddler Time with Priscilla. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Toddler Time with Priscilla. For today's fun activity, I will show you and your little ones how to make a yummy treat called Campfire Snack Mix. Here's what you'll need: pretzels, small graham cookies, mini chocolate candies, mini marshmallows, Chex cereal, a large bowl, and a mixing spoon. One by one, help your toddler pour the ingredients in the large bowl. Then have them grab a spoon and mix all the ingredients together. And there you have it, a super simple, yummy treat to enjoy any time of the day. We hope you have a great time creating this with your little ones. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media accounts so you don't miss out on our next fun Toddler Time activity. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged.